Yes, hello. Good evening. Good evening. I think the shadows of the. I think yeah, like this. Soya sauce para sa. Hello guys. Good evening. This is Inday Michelle Vlog. Hello, Inday Michelle 101. Eating time 101. Here we go. Let's open the basket. Let's open the basket. Here comes with together with Ashik. We're gonna eat like this one, fried chicken. We have the soya sauce. As a Filipino, we love soya sauce and huge amount of biryani. Oh guys, come on. Huge amount of biryani. Oh, saan ka pa dyan? Go ahead, come, let's eat. Okay guys, so we're gonna get this one. We set aside that one. I pour this rice. Okay, we have too much rice. But of course, tomorrow is still another day. Oh, sorry. Tomorrow is another day. We're gonna still eat tomorrow. If the rice is not yet finished, then we're gonna eat this one by tomorrow. This is the beef masala, but I think we have to open this one. This is the masala fish. Oh my god. This is something like a bit messy. Ayan guys. Kasi pag masala talaga guys, medyo ano siya kasi yung ano niya guys, parang ang kala nakakamancha or something like this. We gonna open like that. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, come on. I'm gonna open the soya sauce I have brought last night. Okay. Oh, come on, Ashik. Come on. Oh my God. Oh, come on, chicken. Chicken is real. Hi guys. This is guys. Let's eat.
Yeah, let's eat.
1 minute. I don't have the nice position of my camera, so I think this is the best, angle. Oh my god.
Masarap.
Ang dami sa kakauwi lang namin. Alas 2. Siya kasi off. It's a 6 off. So, we just got home. Ang hirap kumain kayo mag-isa. So, kaya kailangan makikasabay ka, no? And he's a good boy. You're a good boy, alright? You're a good boy. Pero mahilig talaga nila masala. They really love masala. But, sa mga Pilipino nakagawian na rin mga masala, na-adapt na namin yung pagkain nila. Masarap. Pagkain nila masarap. Pero kung first time ka, of course, parang hindi mo ma-appreciate. Pero katagalan, naano mo na rin. Ito tumagal siya, no food for Ashik. I said, bye, Ashik. Yeah, Ashik is off. After he made food.
I need food.
Okay, give this one. Ayan. Sarap. Yummy. Fish masala guys. Gusto kong matuto nito para pagdating ng Pilipinas, pwede ako magluto. Pwede mo ipatikim sa mga pamilya mo. It's something healthy naman. Yun nga lang maraming spice. Sobrang dami. So, Yummy. Sarap. Kumain na ba kayo, Les? Kain. Kain ko yan. Kami rito ang sarap ng kain yan. Biryani is life. Kasi siyempre sa restaurant namin, hindi nawawala ang biryani. Dapat white rice ang dalanin ko kasi naubusan na. So ngayon, ito muna. Walang magawa. Walang choice. Ayan. Kaya po ko ng vlogs ko, guys. Kasi mahaba-haba niya. I hope you enjoy watching me. Please like, follow, and share to my YouTube channel. It's in the Michelle Vlog, guys. Thank you for watching.